Right, before we get stuck into this glue gun review, something I need to tell you. I done a review last year on a glue gun that my wife bought me, and don't get me wrong, it was very good. We both used it quite a lot and had no issues with it until the other day. I went to repair my keyboard because one of the little rubber feet had come off, and I thought, oh, I'll get the glue gun out, glue it back on. Yeah, perfect. But it wouldn't turn on, so I thought, what's charging up? No, it wouldn't charge up neither. So I contacted Amazon and they said, yeah, just return it and we'll give you a full refund, which they did. So I wanted to buy the same one again, but they got none in stock. They said, look, we've got none in stock, don't know when they're coming in, we'll give you a full refund and, buy something else. So we've gone for this one, and the reason we've gone for this one because I like the look of it. I read quite a few reviews and there were so many, mixes of, good and bad on all of them. And I thought, well, which one do I want? I like the look of this one. Didn't really like the colour of it. And it wasn't the cheapest. My other one cost about £24. This one's about £36. But I like the fact you can swap out the battery. So if you want to buy an extra battery because you use the glue gun quite a lot, just like a cordless drill, you can just swap them over. So I thought, yeah, I like that one. And the other one I liked was the Bosch one, which was almost double in price. And I thought, I really like the Bosch one as well. And my wife said, look, I'm buying it, I'm not paying that kind of money. I went, oh, okay then. I'll have this one. I'll pay the difference for this one. Because, it's only £23 for the other one. This one's like 36. And at the moment, there's a 5% voucher on there as well. So get in there quick. I don't know how long that will last. As always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And also, the video I made of the other one, I will stick a link in the video description of that in case you want to watch that. And also at the end of this video in case you want to watch it. Alright, so with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So we're going to have a quick look around the box, and it will be quick, and do the unboxing, and then I'm going to give her a test. Let's get on with it. So it says 15 seconds preheating time, apparently. 5 minutes intelligent safety power off technology. In other words, if you don't use it, after 5 minutes, it will just shut itself down. 2000 milliamp lithium battery providing long time usage. It says there 3 times 2000. Not sure what it means by 3 times because you only get one battery. Rechargeable lithium battery pack, and that's about it really. So let's get her open. Oh, it's this way around. So we have instructions, and I will read the instructions. A selection of, oh, they're falling out. A selection of glues, multicolour. They're not as long as the other ones, but I still got some of the other ones, so I might try them as well at a later stage. I would have thought they'd be like a standard size, these sort of things. The actual battery itself. A plug for charging it up with quite a long lead looking at that. I reckon that's probably, at a guess, about 2 metres long. Maybe even longer. Oops, they did fall out, look. Unbelievable. Get that out of the way. And the gun itself. First impressions. Yeah, feels fine. Not sure about the colour, but beggars can't be choosers. Easy to connect the battery, just like using a cordless drill. Yeah. 12 volt, 2.0 amps, or 2000 milliamps, whatever you want to call it. So that will go in there like that. Yeah. Yeah. So you've got 2 buttons. Now, what do the 2 buttons do? I'm guessing that one turns it on. So I'll turn it on. Let's try it. Normally you have to hold them down for so many seconds. Oh, there you go. I wonder if it's got Bluetooth. I'm joking. Right, I should have read the instructions, right? But I haven't. So I'm guessing that's what you do. Right, it's gone blue. Does that mean it's almost ready? Don't try this at home, by the way. But the reason I needed to use my glue gun it's because one of my feet, or one of the rubber pads on the bottom of my keyboard feet, has come off and I want to re-glue it back on. So I'm going to try it. I don't know what that button does. What's that button do? Don't know. Is that ready to go already? Ready to go already? Move that out of the way. Get my keyboard. Because I need to fix my keyboard. Right, where is it? Oh, it's this one here. Look. See that? Let's see. Gonna have to pump it a little bit, I would have thought. Like I said, you should read the instructions, but I just want to quickly try it. Right, I can feel the pressure. Oh right, it's gone right down, look. See that? So it's worked its way along. So what's that? Yeah, it's about there now, isn't it? Don't know if you can see that. You can just see it poking out there. Right, I've got 2 blues. Oh, and a light. I didn't realise it had a light on it. See that? Just like a cordless drill, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, good. See it in the dark. Right, will that come out now? Oh, it will, look. I wasn't expecting it to come out that quick. It does say 15 seconds. Like I said, I haven't read the instructions yet. Quick, where is it? I've lost it now. Where's my rubber pad gone? Oh, there it is. I think it goes that way. Be careful when you're doing something like this, because, oops, I messed up my computer's on. Because it is hot. That was really fast. Is it on? Yeah, I think that's ready. Better cancel my computer. It says cancel. I can't believe how quick that come out. So that is done. Right, it doesn't come with a drip thing. On my other one, it come with a little plastic or silicone mat that you could drip the glue onto. This doesn't, even though it's dearer, but it was very fast at working. My other one took, I think it took about 30 seconds, something like that. But this one, well, literally seconds. So on, off. Hold that down. On. Ready to go. As soon as it goes blue. Yeah? While it's waiting, the light. If you want the light on, press that button. Job done. Blue, come on blue. Blue. We're ready to go. That is it. That's quite fast. But before you go, I am going to read the instructions just to make sure there's nothing we've missed. So while I'm reading the instructions, consider subscribing. Doesn't cost you any money whatsoever. Does help my little channel to keep on growing. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll be back in a minute. Right, I know I said I'd be back in a minute, but that was 9 months ago, that bit you just watched. I do apologise. And the reason for that is because I had a lot of projects to do, and this wasn't urgent, but I'm finishing it off right now. So let's go through what I don't like, and then we'll go through all the things I do like. So one of the things I don't like, I would have preferred longer sticks, glue sticks. Yeah, that's the first one. The second one is I would have liked some sort of drip tray to come with it for the drips that you do get. Like I said, I've had this, 9 months. And the third one, if possible, I would have liked a longer nozzle, you know, for the hot bit. Would have liked that longer, if possible. That's my negatives. The things I do like about it is it's very quick for getting it ready. Only takes literally seconds to heat it up and it's ready to go. I like the fact you can take the battery off. If you buy another battery, you can just change it quickly, just like you can a cordless, you know, drill. And it's easy to use, very simple. I'm not a great lover of the light neither, I must say. Where the light is positioned, to me, it's pointless. It does work, but the thing is, it's not, the light is not reflecting where the actual nozzle is for whatever you're sticking down. So, yeah, not very impressed with that. But overall, I'm very happy with it. Yeah, so with that, like I said earlier, if you like any of my videos, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help the channel to keep on growing. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Better late than never.